Hello everyone, I am Dr. Danish Salim. There is a steep rise in the number of fungal infections reported in India, especially among people who have recovered from COVID-19 infection. Now, after the black fungus and the white fungus infection, the cases of yellow fungus infection have been reported in India. So, what exactly is yellow fungus infection? Yellow fungus infection is medically known as mucormycosis and was previously reported only in reptiles. The first case of a human infected by yellow fungus was reported few days back. The yellow fungus infection, much like the other fungal infection, spreads via contaminated environment or when a suspected patient inhales the mold which grows in the environment normally. So, following are the broad symptoms of yellow fungus infection which we have to know. First is disrupted digestion, slow metabolism, unexplained weight loss, pus leakage from the wound, loss of appetite, malnutrition, sunken eyes, which is a classical feature, lack of energy, lethargy and fatigue, necrosis, which is commonly seen in severe cases, delayed healing of wounds, prolonging recovery of illness. So these are the common symptoms. How does it spread and is it contagious? Fungal infections including yellow fungus spreads when a person inhales the mold that are found in the environment normally. The poor hygiene and unsanitary condition remains to be the prime reasons for all fungal infection. While fungal infection can primarily attack the people with compromised immunity, yellow fungus or other fungal infections being talked about right now are not exactly contagious since they cannot be spread from one person to another like other respiratory infections including that of COVID-19 virus. So, what makes a person susceptible to yellow fungus infection? The risk of fungal infection is aggravated for those people who have compromised immunity, frail health or suffering from pre-existing problems like uncontrolled diabetes. For example, the sugar if it is more than 200 mg per deciliter, you are not able to fight against the infection. As seen with COVID recovered case or in the patient who are in recovery, a rise of fungal infection has been reported. Those put on the prolonged oxygen support or have been prescribed steroid use. It can also develop on the skin after the fungus enters the skin through a cut, scrape, burn or other type of skin trauma also. Additionally, the Center of Disease and Control, the CDC, state that the risk of fungal infections are also high for people who have spent a long time under intensive care units, had an organ transplant recently, suffering from immune complications or having a low total count, and who are dependent on extensive antibiotics or steroid use, or who have having kidney damage and those who are put on dialysis. So how dangerous is the yellow fungus infection? The yellow fungus is extremely rare in humans. However, it is the most dangerous one among the various fungal infections reported recently. So what makes this infection so critical is that the infection first affects the body's internal organs, thereby disrupting the body process like vital body process. Unlike the black fungus which starts off with a distinct facial disfiguration and the white fungus which may appear first as the oral thrush on the tongue, the yellow fungus does not typically display any external symptoms before it starts affecting the internal organs. For the same reason, people have been advised to seek treatment from the very beginning and prevent the case from becoming complicated. So, how can people protect themselves from these fungal infections? So, compromised immunity helps fungal infections thrive. As for patients battling COVID-19, since one reason for the spread of this hazardous mold is unsanitary environment, one must ensure that proper disinfection is followed. Some of the other points to be noted are indiscriminate usage of steroids and related medications should be curtailed. So people suffering from uncontrolled diabetes should be controlled. With a history of diabetes, you have to make sure your sugar level is under control, that is below 200 mg per deciliter. Make sure you use clean water for steam inhalation. Those who are on oxygen therapy should also ensure that oxygen is well filtered and not contaminated, such as with unclean water. Always double mask while going out, especially to 6 to 8 weeks. Be sure not to use unclean mask. Personal hygiene is very important, especially when your immunity is weak. So these are the things which you have to be careful, and these, if you are following it correctly, these type of fungal infections can be prevented. Kindly share this information to everyone. Dr. D Better Life will come with another good topic very soon. Take care, everyone.